Today we are going to discuss about important case study related to tasty treats. Anyone know about the tasty treats? Yes, exactly. Ice cream, right? It's hot summer, so everyone like ice cream. So what is the case means? The tasty treats is a well-known brand for every customers, but now it will be goes down because of more competitors, right? So we are going to discuss in the case study how to brand revitalize. Everyone know about the brand revitalize, right? What is the brand revitalize? Improve. Very good. It will be goes down again. It will come back. Okay. So the Tasty Treats is a family-owned ice cream parlor with a devoted local following for decades, faces declining foot traffic and competition from trendy new gelato shops. So the aging decor, limited menu and lack of online presence threatened to push Tasty Treats into irrelevance. To stay that, the owners must revitalize their brand and recapture the heart of ice cream. Okay. So what are the strength of this Tasty Treats? Very high quality, different flavors, location. Ambience is very important, right? So ambience and also you say accessibility. Okay, accessibility will be very easy. The customers also will go to attract. So it's certainly right. These are the strength. So high quality and very important how to promote this brand to everyone.
Sir, we can promote this in digital way.
It's certainly digital marketing, right? Through social media. So you can advertise in Facebook, Instagram, right? YouTube. So more number of channels are there. Okay. So these are the strengths we have seen. What about the weakness? Why the brand will be it goes down?
Outdated flavors.
Okay. Outdated flavors.
Lack of digital presence.
Exactly. Lack of digital presence. Other than that,
There is no welcoming employees in the
exactly. Employees, right? Because employees are the key keyword for every organization, right? Employees are satisfied, the organization will success. Okay. So these are the weaknesses. What about the opportunities? So how to promote? You said the social media, high quality, the ambience, right? You're going to attract the customer. So these are the opportunities to build the brand. Okay. What are the difficulties you are facing? Why the brand goes down? What are the difficulties they are facing? Come back.
Competition.
More competition. Exactly, right? So competitors like Arun's Cream is there, right? Boomerang. So more number of competitors are there. Other than that,
Changing consumer preferences.
exactly changing consumer preferences. For example, in this day today you are having some taste, but next day they are having some other taste. So every day you can change it, right? So what about the technology is going like same like that? We are going to the take research. Anything, food also you can okay, right? Okay. Other than that, change the ambience. So ambience because it's a very important. If your customer enters into the hotel or if your customer enters into the parlor, the ambience is very important. Okay. Okay. What about the outcomes of this case? We change everything. Right? Now you've done in the SWOT analysis. So what are the outcomes? Profit will increase. So these are things you are doing. Definitely the profit will increase and also customers will be more. Right? Again they will come back. So that is a brand revitalize. Got it? Any doubt in this case? Oh, good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.